Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.
Thank you.